In today's class, we are going to discuss about the verification of Boolean and De Morgan's law. Okay, let me come to the problem statement.
And coming to the problem statement, the first problem statement is simplify the given circuit shown in the figure using Boolean algebra and draw the logic circuit for the given circuit in LT-SPICE, and also reduce the given circuit by using Boolean algebra, okay, and end up with the simplified expression, and implement the simplified expression also in the LT-SPICE. Okay. So the next one, the first thing is, see here you have three inputs. Okay, the first thing is you have three inputs, A, B, C for the given circuit, whereas this, the first NAND gate output the first AND gate output is BC, and whereas this is NOR, so this is A plus BC the whole bar. Whereas this is connected to B, so this is B bar, and this is A, so this is A B bar. And this is again an OR gate, so the result will be A plus BC bar plus A B bar the whole bar. That is your expression for Q. So Q is nothing but A plus BC bar plus A B bar the whole bar. This is the output of the given problem statement. You have three input variables A, B, C. So 2 power 3 you may be having 8 combinations, input combinations. That is what I have given here in the truth table. Okay, that is what I have given here in the truth table from 0, 0, 0 to up to all 1. Okay. So for each subsequent gates I have given for each gates. So here what I am going to do is, let me assume X as, okay, let me assume X as A B bar, okay, X as A B bar, and Y as A plus BC bar, okay, Y as A plus BC bar. Here this is A B bar, this is a NAND gate, the whole bar over here, so this is what I am going to assume. Okay. So what you will be having for your Q then, let me simplify first. So this is, let me assume X is equal to A B bar the whole bar and Y is equal to A plus BC the whole bar. Okay. So if that is the case, this Q will be equal to X plus Y the whole bar. By De Morgan's rule, we know that you need to change your sign and you need to complement individual variable. So Q will be equal to X bar plus Y bar. And then what is X? We know X is equal to A B bar the whole bar. And as per the resultant expression, what will be from this, what will be X bar? X bar is nothing but A B bar. Similarly, Y bar is nothing but A plus BC. Okay. So Q is equal to X bar plus Y bar, and we know X, what is X, and we know Y, and I have substituted X and Y, and then now I am incorporating this AB. I am using distributive law, A B bar A plus A B bar BC. Okay, so B into B bar will be equal to 0, and A will be A dot A will be equal to A only. So it will be the resultant expression Q is nothing but A B bar. This is the reduced expression. This is the simplified or the reduced expression. So what we are going to do is, we are going to implement this circuit. Okay, we are going to implement this circuit in LT-SPICE. Check for the output Q. Similarly, you are going to implement this expression in the LT-SPICE So LT spice and verify your Q. So both the Q in the case 1 and case 2 should match. 1 should be equal to 2. Both the Q's should match. Okay. This is the first problem. And what we are going to do here is, you are going to see the circuit, okay, and you are going to tell the output here. For each case, finally, what is the output, okay. Just fill up the table and tell me the answers. Fill up first and tell me the final answers. Note down the table. This is for problem number 1, okay. So for problem number 2 also I will discuss shortly.
Do the program in LT Spice. I am creating a new schematic. According to the circuit, we need 3 NOR gate, or 2 NOR and 1 NAND. Okay, 2 NOR gate and 1 NAND gate. So 1 NAND gate, let me paste it first. Okay, let me paste this NAND gate, and then 2 NOR gate, NOR 7402. So 2 NOR gate and 1 NOR gate. I think 1 NOR gate, and then one AND, one AND gate. Is it AND gate? Yeah, one AND gate. Okay, so how will be the connection? Like, the NAND gate has to be at the bottom. Use my hand here, pick this here, pick this here, pick it up here, select everything, pull it back and bring this knot here and connect it like this. Okay, yeah, and then one input is A. For the NAND gate, AND gate, it's not NAND, for the AND gate, output should be connected to the second input, and then A, B, C, and this is A bar, and this has to be connected here, and this is this A has to be connected to the bottom line of 74HC04. Okay, so let me come here, use my hand, pull this HC down. Okay, and then use your wire connector for connecting your B, and use your wire connector or keep it like that itself. So next, let me use this voltage source. Yeah, voltage. I need 3 voltage sources, A, B, C. Connect everything down. Yeah, and then connect your ground here. Yes. Let me zoom in. And then pull everything here like this, and then give the label net, give it as AN input, click OK, give it in the second source as well, third source, and here this is B, this is C. Let me change the names. Okay, so this is BN, press OK. This is CN, press OK. Again BN, OK. B N, and this is CN, press OK. Again use label net. You can see out, which is Q is output, so Q, press OK, connect it here. Okay, and then let me give the source as well, advanced pulse 5 0 4 milli 1 nano 1 nano 4 milli 8 milli. Click OK. Hold this down and keep minus. I cannot pull. Yeah. Then again right click, go for advanced, again go for pulse 0 5 2 milli 1 nano 1 nano 2 milli 4 milli. Press OK for B. Again pull this and keep down. Okay, and again right click on CN, go for the advanced, press for pulse 0 5 1 milli 1 nano 1 nano 1 milli 2 milli. Press OK. Press here, pull this down, keep it here, press escape. Okay, this is for the circuit without minimization. Okay, with minimization circuit also let us draw. I think that is yeah, that is A B bar. So we need an AND gate again. Shall I copy this AND gate? Sorry, this is my AND. Let me pick up. Okay, go for the triplet folder again, logic 74 HC 604, one NOT gate also I need. After that again pick up 08 is a AND gate. So it is A B bar. So again go for the label net A in, input port, click OK, click here and click here even, and change the name. This is A B bar, so B in, and click for the output label net. Let it be Q reduced, so the output, click OK, connect it here, let's escape. Okay, now run, check for both the outputs. So run this, let it be 8 millisecond, because 1 cycle of A is the maximum duration of time period that we are getting. So we need 4 traces, 3 input and 1 output, but we need to check 2 outputs. So I need 5 plot planes, 3, 4 and 5. Let me maximize this. Add traces in, and then add traces again B in, then add traces C in, and then add traces VQ without reduction the output. And then if you look for the outputs, okay, earlier what I have done is I have given the initial value to be 5 for AN, the rest are all fine. So now I have changed this initial value. So initial value as 5 and final value as 0 I have given. Okay, so now I have changed it. After that, if you see the Q and the Q reduced, both are getting the same results. This is what is expected. Okay, so with the minimum number of gates we could get the same results. Is that fine? Please verify this in your LTSpice.